Because I was born in the compound of a masjid just across where we were living, the masjid, a reciter came and started reciting. He says, وَالضُّحِي. I thought to myself, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. Later on, I told my father, what type of a person was reading? He doesn't even know what duha. He was saying hey, hey, and be. My father had to explain to me, listen son, what do you know? That is a proper mutawatir recital, correct, according to the teachings of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. What? Are you serious? Obviously, I'm learning. And then I found out it's not just two, there's more. There's different ways of doing things. Ihdina zirata. I said, what's going on? This guy is reading the way he's pronouncing the sad. I said, that's a pronunciation. You got to learn. You got to understand and appreciate. It is an ibadah to learn it. It is an ibadah to know it. The Prophet ﷺ says, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ. The best from amongst you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. It's not just about reciting. No. It's about reciting, yes. Improving your recitation, yes. The pronunciation, yes. The intonation, which means the tune, yes. The English language translations, not a single one of them is perfect, because the English language is not the language chosen by Allah to reveal the Quran, which is His kalam, His word. Perfection is solely and only for the word of Allah, the Arabic.